How to appear offline on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to appear offline on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end because I will give you detailed instructions on how to do this. So without further ado, let's go! Let's head over to Instagram, and then what we need to do is to just click on this profile icon right here in order to proceed to our profile page. Then the next thing we need to do is to click on these three lines right here, and then click on the settings and privacy. After we're there, just click on the search icon right here and then search for activity status. You can see this show activity status right here, so click on that, and as you can see it is turned on, so let's try to turn that off. So if you turn that off, then that just means that all the accounts you follow and anyone you message will see when you were last active. So if it's turned off, then they won't be able to see your activity status, but also you can also see their activity status. So in a way, this is a double-edged sword because you won't see if they're online and they won't see that you're online. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to appear offline on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, just comment down below. And make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.